Saturday. I just woke up and look at my eyes. I slept I went to bed at like 2 AM, and it's 9:30. So I had a good sleep. I woke up a few times and planned to get up and then just fell back asleep. So today right now, I don't know what's happening today, but right now I'm gonna make some tea, get some breakfast, and do some writing. That's my current plan. My tea and toast, although I just realised I was meant to put bananas on the top of the toast and I haven't done that. But I'm not going back downstairs to do that. So I'm just gonna have peanut butter on toast, have my tea, do some writing stuff. It's a good day. This is the current vibe today. I've lost my deodorant, which is not ideal, but I really don't know where it is, so I'm not gonna spend time looking for it because we're going. I'm just gonna have to be a stinky pig. We're going to Puzzlewood, I believe, so I've chucked some socks on for the first time in, I don't know, I guess a week, because I think I wore trainers to come here because I couldn't fit them in my suitcase. So yeah, crazy. I really don't need 2 bubbles in, it just makes my head chunky. So yeah, I got this lovely little number on and don't have deodorant. I don't know where it is. I really have no clue, but we're going now anyway, so I'll just spray perfume and hope that I don't stink up the woods. Get on my little hat. Deodorants are gone. I have no idea where it is. I don't know whether to take my bag or not. If I should just... It's not that sunny outside. I'm gonna be in the woods, so I'm just gonna leave these on and not wear sunglasses. Where I go? Oh yeah, I love this hat. Giving me vibes. Got my ice latte. Oh, you can see it on camera. Oh. That's super cute. Yes, definitely. Oh, she's so cute. What are you doing? She was rolling about, but I missed it. Just finished the last episode of Poldark. We're back home now, as you can see. Look how cute she is. They're all here. Sue and Cole have gone to the shop to get stuff for dinner. Oh, I can't stop looking at her. He was really sweet too. Look at that gorgeous face. Oh, hello. So cute. Oh, the belly, the belly. You're such a little show off for the camera. Yeah, so we're back from the Forest of Dean now. I was just having a cup of tea. I'm gonna go up and I'm not sure, probably right. I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna do. It's kind of getting into more evening time now. So I think Claire's coming over later. I want to talk to, because she's part of the Arts Council. I want to see if she's got any advice about what's been happening at BIM lately, because I don't know. I feel like I need the toilet actually. I'll sort of finish this off. I feel like I really want to do something, but I don't know how to help. Everyone's been made redundant and stuff, and I probably can't do anything, but I don't know. Just in case I can help ease things. I don't know. It's just awful what's happening. Dinner time!
There's a coffee shop and a bar.
Look at this.
Oh, they're still open, was it? Still there.
I don't think he did. I think he was rubbing his mum about.
She hasn't
You
done it for
playing
this
with my
year
toes?
yet. Well, no, she hasn't given me any this year.
On at Hanley Farm.
Sorry, Ezzy. You can see better here. Look, come on, let's have a nice one.
You might be able to help with this because I think that my SoundCloud isn't all my.
Free fireworks display from the backyard with tea and wine and music. So yeah, we've just been out here for a little bit. Claire is Sue's neighbour. She's gone back to check on her dog because of the fireworks. It's Willow and Hamish are out here. They're gorgeous. I'm missing all the good ones. So loud though, from all the way over here as well. Should I do some sort of angle so you can still see? No, there's no angle in which that's doable. I'm not tall enough. There's a break in them. Anyway, yeah, so gone. What was I saying? Oh, and Sue's gone to check on Willow and Hamish too. Oh no, she's gone to check that Willow hasn't escaped when Claire opened the door. That's what she's gone to check. Because Willow is a little escape artist. But yeah, we've been out here for a bit, just like chatting and stuff. It's been really nice. And gonna take doggers for a walk as well because it's been far too hot this week to take them out in the day, so have to wait like morning and evening. Although it hasn't felt as hot today, I think, because the sun hasn't been out. But yeah, that's what's crack-a-lacking up in our end. And I think finally the fireworks have stopped. They're doing like a postponed coronation celebration over there, so like across the bank, so that's what that's all about. Oh, can't really see anything. It shows the wrong time to film the walk, but we're on the walk. Really can't see anything, I'm sorry. This is a terrible photography shop thing.
Who's that barking? Yeah, I don't get that at all. Yeah, so when it came to us,
I was getting a little nippy out there, so I'm come up to put some trousers on and some socks as well. I'm not gonna put my trainers on because my feet being out probably the main thing will make me cold. But it's really nice. It's a nice evening. They thought I was crazy that I said it was cold, but you know, I just get cold really easily. So. But yes, I forgot to shut the windows, and now the dogs are fly. I also turned off the warm light, so that was smart. Hey guys, it's the next day. Oh, look how tired I look. See, when I stayed up till like 3 AM just talking about politics and stuff. It was nice, but geez, I'm tired. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe. Check out all my links in the description below. Check out my music, and I'll see you tomorrow, aka today.